Because we are in a time of a chaotic and very profound, sophisticated transformation happening to the humanity in general, and especially for souls who are awakening and it's going through their own inner transformation. Energy hygiene became, the most important thing actually ever. Reason being that is our sensitivity to energy, it's being either activated or heightened exponentially. So in this period of time, people might have a more heightened sense of intuitiveness. So they feel like they suddenly know things that it doesn't come into their awareness before. This is an indication of consciousness and awareness in expansion. And when that happens, our full body is going through a metamorphosis transformation where we are turning into a more lighter being. It's a very complex, multi-dimensional process. And when that's happening to our body, sometimes it manifests in different symptoms, which causes pain, aches, or some ailments or illnesses that just suddenly come on out of nowhere. And because of that, the energy hygiene is so important, because we have to actually clean up our energy field and be able to center ourselves and purify our soul, so that more light can come in and our body become more stabilized when our energy is hygienic or clean. But if we have a lot of debris or dark energies or entities, attachments, then your body's even experiencing more turmoil and harder for you to clear your mind and your heart in order to go forward.